Welcome to our deep dive into MEXC Global, one of the most dynamic and innovative cryptocurrency exchanges available today. In this video, we'll walk through every key feature of the platform so you can navigate it confidently and make the most of your crypto experience. Start by heading to https://lnk.do/jquucoif to sign up and claim your new user bonus. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a sleek interface showcasing top-performing cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and market trends. The navigation bar allows you to access essential features, including spot trading, futures trading, and staking opportunities. Under the spot trading section, you can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies with competitive fees. MEXC's intuitive charting tools help users analyze market trends and make informed decisions. If you're into leverage trading, the futures section provides advanced options for maximizing your trades. Remember, trading carries risks, so proceed with caution and use available tools to your advantage. For those looking to earn passive income, MEXC offers staking options where users can lock their crypto and earn rewards. Explore the Earn tab to find flexible or fixed-term staking products with varying returns. The platform also supports multiple fiat payment methods for seamless crypto purchases, catering to users worldwide. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. MEXC also provides comprehensive security measures, including two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist management, ensuring your assets remain protected at all times. For beginner traders, the platform includes a resourceful academy filled with tutorials and market insights. Ready to begin your crypto trading journey with MEXC Global? Sign up now using the link in the description to claim your exclusive bonus and start exploring this powerful platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights and tutorials.